Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Daily English Practice Podcast. I'm Anna.
And I'm David. Thanks for joining us again for another exciting episode.
Today, we're diving deep into a topic every learner loves, how to speak English fluently and naturally.
That's right. We'll explore how to think in English, fix common mistakes, and practice real-life conversations using fun tools like movies, songs, and podcasts.
So, if you want to sound more confident, fluent, and natural in English, stay with us till the end.
So, Anna, everyone wants to know, what's the fastest way to speak English fluently?
The secret is simple. Speak more, not study more.
I completely agree. Many learners spend years memorizing grammar rules but never practice real speaking.
Exactly. Fluency comes from use, not knowledge. You have to use English every day, even small moments count.
I tell my students, make English your daily habit. Speak to yourself, think in English, or record your voice.
Yes, and don't worry about mistakes. Fluency grows from progress, not perfection.
One powerful tip is shadowing. Listen to a native speaker and repeat their sentences immediately.
Oh, the shadowing technique. It helps with pronunciation, rhythm, and intonation, just like music practice.
So the fastest way to fluency is speak daily, plus listen actively, plus enjoy the process.
Beautifully said, David. English isn't a school subject, it's a skill. Anna, I think one reason learners struggle with fluency is that they still translate from their native language.
Exactly. Thinking in English is the real secret to fluency.
So, how can learners train their brain to think directly in English?
Start small. Begin with simple thoughts. For example, when you wake up, say to yourself, I'm brushing my teeth, or I'm making coffee.
Yes! Turn your daily life into English thoughts. It's like building an inner English voice.
Another technique is labeling. Put English labels on things in your house. Door, mirror, spoon, desk.
I love that. It helps your brain connect English words with objects naturally. No translation needed.
And also, try journaling in English every day, even just 3 sentences about your day.
Journaling improves vocabulary and helps you express feelings naturally in English.
And here's a bonus tip. Use English when you think emotionally. For example, I'm excited or I'm tired.
Right, because emotions make learning stick in memory. Okay, let's talk about the fun part, mistakes.
Yes, everyone makes them, even native speakers.
Exactly. The problem isn't making mistakes, it's not correcting them.
One of the most common mistakes is word order. For example, learners say, I very like it. The correct sentence is, I like it very much.
Another one, confusing say and tell. Remember, say something to someone, but tell someone something.
Great point. Also, pronunciation mistakes, like saying recently instead of recently. Stress matters.
Grammar mistakes are fine. Just focus on communication first. Then slowly fix patterns you repeat often.
One method I love is recording yourself speaking for 2 to 3 minutes a day. When you listen back, you'll hear your own mistakes.
Yes, that's how actors and public speakers train too. Awareness is the first step to improvement.
Anna, one of the best ways to become fluent is to practice real-life English.
Definitely. Many learners can read well but freeze when ordering coffee or asking for help.
Let's role-play one. Imagine you're in a coffee shop.
Okay. Hi, can I get a medium latte with almond milk, please?
Sure. Would you like it hot or iced?
Hot, please. Oh, and could you add 1 extra shot of espresso?
Of course. That'll be $5.
See? Real-life English is about short, polite, confident sentences.
Yes, and it's okay to make it simple. You don't need complicated words to sound fluent.
Practice situations like traveling, job interviews, or talking to new people.
The more real-life English you use, the faster your brain becomes comfortable with it.
Now for my favorite part, fun ways to learn English.
Oh yes, movies, songs, and podcasts are gold for English learners.
Let's start with movies. Choose something you already enjoy. Watch once with subtitles, then again without them.
And focus on listening for emotion, not just words. Try repeating short scenes aloud.
Oh, songs are amazing for pronunciation and rhythm too. When you sing, you practice stress and intonation naturally.
I always recommend podcasts. They're great for listening to real English conversations like this one.
Yes, listening daily helps you pick up natural expressions and idioms.
So, learning doesn't have to be boring. If it's fun, your brain remembers faster.
Absolutely. The more you enjoy English, the faster you'll master it. Wow, what an amazing conversation.
We covered so much, from speaking fluently to thinking in English, fixing mistakes, real-life practice, and learning with media.
The key takeaway: use English every day. Don't wait until you're ready. Start now.
Mistakes are not your enemy, they're your teachers.
Speak, listen, think, and live in English, and fluency will come naturally.
Thank you for joining us today on the Daily English Practice Podcast.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this episode with friends who are learning English too.
Until next time, keep speaking, keep growing, and keep believing in yourself.
See you soon, everyone.